Okay, why am I making this video? I have tried forever to make Kiwi here, yes, Kiwi, eat something from my hand. She won't do it. He, she, I really don't know if he's a boy or a girl, but I've tried since he was a baby, I've hand fed him and everything. He won't take it. He won't eat anything from my hand, be it fruit, rice, whatever. Why is it eating a ring pop? And it's the only thing she'll eat from my hand. She's squawking now because she's mad because I don't give her any more. Kiwi. Here, have some ring pop. You're stupid. Go back over here. This is what she wants. She will sit here and lick this thing forever. I don't get this. She won't eat fruit. She'll eat fruit, but on her cage, not from me. But yeah, here I am eating ring pop, and it's what she wants. Here, ring pop. You were just complaining. Oh, now now she saw me on the camera. She doesn't want to be over here. Does not like camera. Yeah, she'll eat it. She'll eat it over here like a Riri. Bird lecturing pop.